Welcome to another video. So Meta released SEM3D, so we can use now Gaussian Splats and we can create them from any image. I will put a link in the description so you can go to aidemos.meta.com, and I will start with the template over here for creating these scenes. So this will be SEM3D. As you can see, we can upload our own image and we can use one of the pre-existing one. I'm gonna use this one. Now, in order also to download the model, you will have to enable the developer option. So press F12 in the browser. And over here, you will need to go within network. And let's see, we can start clicking on objects. For example, if I will click over here, this will select the main mug of the espresso. I can add to that by selecting additional one, and we're going to see those elements. I also want the scale, so I can click on that as well. And this is why it's important to have the developer options over here enabled. Now, if I'm going to hit generate 3D, we're going to see that the Gaussian splat will be created. And this will work really fast. As you can see, we have that over here. And this will be the finished model. And now over here, the largest file, which will be this one, we see almost 6 megabytes. I'm going to right click and I will open a new tab. And this will actually enable me to save this. I'm going to go within folder. I'm going to press over here F12. And I'm going to rename it, let's say, object. It's important to also add PLY, so that will be the file format. And now within Blender, you can use the following importer by Kiri Engine. I will also put the link in the video description, so you can go ahead and you can install this. You have over here the possibility to go import PLI. Within downloads, I know that this is the object. I'm going to hit import. And now we have that model loaded. So currently, this is hidden underneath the default cube. If I'm going to select it and delete it, this will be the model. This is the default PLI model imported, but over here, if you have the Kiri Engine add-on, you can also enable colors. And in this case, we're going to see that the model will look like this. So it's important to go within render, and that will actually enable it within the viewport. So we see that this will be the Gaussian splat. So it's quite interesting to see that we can now work with Gaussian splats so easily, since Meta SEM3D will generate those really fast. Now, the models are not that great compared to mesh models, because this is actually just a point cloud. If I will select this and within geometrical node, let me just have that enabled, we're going to see that actually we have over here many parameters. So we have the red, green, and blue over here. And we have quite a lot of elements for each of those individual points. But this is the main advantage of using 3DGS render by Kiri Engine, because this will make it a lot easier. Otherwise, you will have to go within geometry nodes and you will have to create those manually. So we see over here those values for the red, green, and blue attributes and how they will be linked over here to the final output. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. It is also really interesting that we can now use the following over here, since within SEM3D, directly within a browser, we can output really good splats quite easily. And I'm pretty sure that Gaussian splats will start to be more used within various VR environments, especially since they can add some interesting texture and material, especially for elements that are made, for example, from glass. And I think that will be the main usability of this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. Let me know in the comment section what is your opinion regarding this. Do you consider that Gaussian splats will be used within various case studies, or do you still think that 3D generative models that will directly output meshes are still the ones that will mostly be used? You're also going to find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.